In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multiple text boxes question with Surveymonkey. Whether you're a seasoned Surveymonkey user or just getting started, this is going to be a valuable skill to enhance your surveys. First, head over to Surveymonkey's website, open your preferred web browser and type in surveymonkey.com. Once there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner. Click on it to proceed. Now, if you've previously created an account, you'll want to click on the Google option to log in using your Google account credentials. Simply select the account you wish to use, and with a couple of clicks, you'll be logged in. For those who may not have a SurveyMonkey account yet, you'll need to create one to follow along with these steps. After successfully logging in, navigate to the SurveyMonkey design page. This is where the magic happens. You'll find the option labeled Build. Make sure to click on it. But keep in mind that this particular functionality, creating questions like multiple text boxes, is available only for premium accounts. If you haven't subscribed yet, you might want to consider it to unlock this feature. Next, scroll down until you see the option to add a multiple text boxes question. Once you locate it, go ahead and click on it. This feature allows you to create a question where respondents can fill out multiple text fields, perfect for gathering detailed information. Now it's time to enter your question. Think about what information you want to gather and phrase your question clearly. After entering your question, you'll need to designate labels for each text box. This step is crucial as it gives clarity to your respondents. You'll want to ensure each label accurately represents the information you wish to collect, as this will encourage high quality responses. Finally, it's time to save your work. Double check everything you've entered, your question, labels, and ensure everything is in place. Once you're satisfied, click on Save. This action will store your newly created question in your survey. In just a few simple steps, you have successfully created a multiple text boxes question within SurveyMonkey. Remember, these options are designed to make your surveys more comprehensive and interactive, providing respondents with the flexibility to input data that can be tailored to your specific needs. And that's how you enhance the quality and engagement of your survey using SurveyMonkey's tools. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.